guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how can we install Dolby Audio, which is from Moto G8 Plus, and how can we install that on Redmi 7, Redmi Y3 and any other custom ROM. And I'm going to show you this on MIUI 12 stock ROM, you guys can see, and I have already provided that video, the review video of that ROM, MIUI Hellas. You guys can use that one, or you guys can use xiaomi.eu. I have already provided that one too, so you guys can install this Dolby Audio on MIUI 12 ROM and any other custom ROM you guys can try. So this is working perfectly, and when we are switching the smart audio, music and film, the sound get changed, and you guys can personalize you as you want. You guys can see here the brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, flat, so you guys can change it according to your taste. And now let's listen some music so that you guys can get a clear idea it's properly working or not. So open music app. You guys get a clear idea and how does it work. So now let's get into the installation process from the root. First of all, download the required files from the link in description, and then open Magic's Manager, and your device must be rooted. If your device is not rooted, then you can't use the Dolby. So you guys already know that, and just go to install from storage and navigate to the folder where you have stored your files. So here is the Dolby, and first of all we need to flash audio modification library. Select audio modification library and let it be flashed. When it gets done, just get back and again install from storage and select that file, Dolby ACDP Moto G8, and I will make a zip file of both files, and then you guys download the zip file, and after downloading just extract the file and you guys will get two files. One is audio modification library and another one is Dolby. So then follow my process and install that Dolby, and you guys can see installation done. Just click on reboot and wait until your device get boots. So device is booting. When device will be booted, then you guys will get the Dolby Audio installed on your device. So now you guys can check Dolby Audio is here. So open that, just scroll down, click on next, click on continue, and you can see smart audio, music, film. You guys can navigate and can switch any of that three. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys like that video. If you guys really like, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further updates. So thank you for watching, guys.